Hey everyone, I'm so sorry I was not able to come on last week, but as usual, an emergency occurred, so I am just exhausted. I've been going nonstop for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna do the other palette, Bed of Roses. I started doing pics, and I started downloading them and realized I did I did everything all wrong. I put the shadows in the wrong places, and so that was a fail. So I'm starting out by putting on my Krylon, all the names rubbed off, but this is the lighter red color. The interference. I know this is a mess, but it's this lighter red color right there. I had to cut down all my nails. They broke. One of them, this one broke all the way down here, so I had to cut them all down. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to start out with that color right there. So I'm using the brush. I'm gonna have to start over again with the swatches, and I have not had a chance to do anything. I've been just going non-stop. My body's just like so run down. I love this palette. This is gorgeous. And I'm gonna take this deep dark burgundy color. Such a shame that as you use it, you're ruining the little rose, imprints. Wow, that comes off like a black. I don't want to put too much, but I don't know if it's this brush, but it's not letting me, blend it very well. This is just a cheap brush I got in a set after Christmas. No, it wasn't. I think I got it with a purchase on eBay. It was like, oh my goodness, like 20 brushes. So I'm concentrating on the corner because this comes out black, but as you start to blend it in, then the burgundy will show through. We're going to go into that gorgeous frosted pink. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. It's, whoa. It's a little, well, I guess if you could just blend it really well, because the camera is not so bad, but I might have to put the eyebrow highlighting pencil, because that is strong. That's dark. Oh, let's go smooth this back in. Like in the camera, it doesn't look that bad because the light is reflecting off of it, making it look like a highlight, but oh my goodness. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I had the blister finally. I was just doing everything I could to get that thing down because I'm like, I want to do a video today. Right now it's just a scab, but I'm still trying not to touch it with any of my lip products. I do want to do like last time, I want to put this over it. This is that mauvey pink color, and I'm trying not to touch that because I don't want to mess up my new makeup products. So just put the gloss over it, and then I will just kind of like put it with my fingers. When my lips were really dark, you couldn't even tell that I had a little scab, but probably now that I lightened it, you can tell. I've just been putting everything, home remedies. I bought that stuff for sores, and I did home remedies, and then yesterday it felt I was like drying my face with a towel, and it felt as if something sharp was ripped from my mouth. And I thought maybe there was something stuck in the towel. You know, maybe there was something in the towel I didn't realize. And it just ripped it, whatever was left of the dry skin and the scab off. So I just keep putting moisturizer, and it keeps, you know, it still stays there, that little bump. But, you know, I'm sure that as it completely heals, it'll go away. But yeah, this color is very similar to their other colors. They have their Halloween one, they have their Video Vixen, they have their Goth Topic, which those two look almost the same. Some people, they put a primer on first and you can see the difference, but otherwise I can't see a difference. Again, it looks like the Halloween one. So wearing this color alone, I just had no desire. So I was waiting till I got back from picking up a package from the office to put this on, you know, put the lighter color on, that pretty mauve color. So yeah, so I had to put a lot of the brow highlighter pencil to lighten that color. I had to keep blending. I had to put the brow highlighter, then blend the color in, put the highlight until it was light enough to be a decent color, because that is pretty dark. It looks very dramatic. I really like these colors better with the gloss on them. I think it's really pretty. It just turned it into a different color, so it's not like those other three colors. And again, I put the put this on, that transforming blush, and I put the pink highlighter on my cheeks. And for my nose, I just mixed it with a white powder on my nose, because I didn't want my nose to be shining like that. I don't mind the shimmer, I just don't want it to be too shimmery on my nose. So yeah, so that was that. And then next week I am going back to, I've really been dying to do this fire and ice, and since my life